Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. If you notice engine oil inside the intake manifold, I'm going to explain why. It is normal for the intake manifold to have a thin film of engine oil on it. However, if you remove the intake manifold or you remove the throttle body and you notice a lot of engine oil coming out of it, that is a cause for concern. The reason why I say it is normal for the intake manifold to have a thin film of engine oil is because it is caused by oil vapor. So how does oil vapor get inside the intake manifold? It is going to be caused by blow-by. Here is a better visual. So what is blow-by? Blow-by occur when combustion gas pass through the piston ring, and that gas is going to end up in the crankcase. So you don't want to have blow-by inside the crankcase because this can cause the seal to fail, such as the oil pan gasket remain sealed and so on. So what you need to have is a PCV system to fix that issue. Here is the PCV, also known as the positive crankcase ventilation. And the purpose of the PCV is to help the crankcase relieve blow-by and pressure inside the crankcase. How does a bad PCV cause a lot of engine oil to end up inside the intake manifold or throttle body? Well, the PCV should only open up at a certain time. And when the PCV is stuck in a certain position, it is going to cause a lot of oil vapor and even engine oil to constantly go up, pass through the PCV and right into the intake manifold, and this can cause a lot of oil to end up inside the intake manifold. The quickest way to check if you have a bad PCV causing the intake manifold to be filled up with oil vapor and engine oil, simply all you have to do is shake it. All you have to do is listen for a rattling noise. If you don't hear a rattling noise, it means that valve inside the PCV is stuck in a certain position. The next reason is going to be caused by bad piston rings or worn cylinder walls. If the piston rings or cylinder walls are worn, it is going to cause increased blow-by, and again, blow-by can cause a lot of oil vapor to end up inside the intake manifold and get stuck to the surface. The next reason is going to be caused by a bad turbocharger oil seal. If the oil seal fell, it can cause oil to leak inside the intake system, and again, it can cause oil to build up inside the intake manifold. The next reason is going to be caused by a clogged oil passage. If the oil passage becomes clogged, caused by deposit buildup or sludge, it can cause oil to go through the PCV and right into the intake. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.